a new secret exposed a link, right? A new secret exposed link Cyril Ramaphosa to Brown Mokgotsi. Meaning, a secret has been exposed which shows a link between Cyril Ramaphosa to controversial figure Brown Mokgotsi. Okay? To Brown Mokgotsi. Okay? So the connection has been widely reported and is currently under intense scrutiny in the political scene and stems from the past, especially the 2017 elective conference of the ANC. The 2017 ANC elective conference. Remember that the CR17 statements that have been sealed by the courts. There's a lot that is in those statements and is now revisited in light of the explosive allegations from the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Greetings, guys. Welcome to the platform. My name is Tebos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Sundu. So let's get to it, guys. But who's this Mokgotsi? Who is Brown Mokgotsi? Brown Mokgotsi is a politically connected figure with a history in the Northwest Province. His profile is complex and often shrouded in controversy. Political activist. He is known, right? He is a known political activist and has been a member of the African National Congress. Then there's also known as a CR17 campaigner. Crucially, media reports from 2017 explicitly identified him as a prominent campaigner and lobbyist for Cyril Ramaphosa's successful presidential bid at the Nasrec NC conference, the Nasrec one, which took place in 2017. He was reportedly an organizer for a pro-Ramaphosa lobby group and was involved in taking legal action against some of Ramaphosa's political opponents at the time. His controversial background. Mokgotsi's past has been under scrutiny. Okay? He has reportedly had criminal convictions, including for assault, and was the subject of a political checkpoint tell-all interview that some critics dismissed as a deflection from more serious allegations. Then the controversial link to Cyril Ramaphosa, the man who came to power in 2017, right, on a narrative of a clean slate, right? But we know that that clean narrative slate was just a lie. It's just a narrative. The link between Cyril Ramaphosa and Brown Mokgotsi is not necessarily new, right? But about past political association that is now being highlighted in the context of the recent police corruption scandal. Okay? The Mkhwanazi allegations. The current controversy was ignited by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi's allegations that a criminal syndicate has infiltrated the police service. A central figure in this alleged network is Brown Mokgotsi, who is accused of acting as a go-between, right, for the currently suspended police minister, Senzo Mchunu, and alleged crime boss, Vusiket Matlala. A shadowy figure from the past. When Mkhwanazi's claim surfaced, media and political analysts immediately looked at Mokgotzi's background. This is where his past as a CR17 campaigner became a major point of discussion. The allegation of a dangerous alliance. The core of the allegation is not that Ramaphosa is currently in communication with Mokgotsi. That is well established. But the Mokgotzi's alleged involvement as a go-between or as a link between those who serve in the Ramaphosa's executive and the criminal syndicates. That will, of course, talk about the likes of Ket Matlala, right? So, Mokgotsi, key campaigner for Ramaphosa in 2017, is now at the center of a major police corruption scandal. This raises uncomfortable questions about the type of people who were mobilized and given influence during the CR17 campaign, but not just that, but even now during his tenure as an ANC president and state president. And whether a reformist agenda was built on a network that included questionable individuals or questionable characters. It's important that we ask this uncomfortable question because, as I've already said, Ramaphosa campaigned on the basis of the so-called clean governance slate. But what is emerging is contradicting what himself and those around him have been telling the public. The political fallout and Ramaphosa's position. Cyril Ramaphosa has not publicly acknowledged or commented on his past or current political relationship with Brown Mokgotsi in the context of the recent police scandal. Okay? His actions, of course, have been focused on addressing the allegations made by Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. So, establishing the Madlanga Commission, Ramaphosa's primary response has been to establish the Judicial Commission of Inquiry led by Acting Deputy Chief Justice Mbuyiseni Madlanga. This commission's mandate is specifically to investigate criminality, political interference, and corruption in the criminal justice system. Its terms of reference include investigating the role of national executive members and any other individuals connected to the alleged criminal syndicates. This effectively outsources the investigation of the entire scandal, including any links to Mokgotsi, to an independent judicial body, of course, through Ramaphosa style. The shadowy figure. Critics have particularly from opposition parties and of course some political and social commentators argue that the president's silence on his past association with Brown Mokgotsi is telling. It suggests it is an uncomfortable reminder that the new dawn came to power, the so-called new dawn, because of course we know that in real terms there's no new dawn here. The so-called new dawn came to power with help from individuals whose backgrounds are now at the center of criminal scandals. You see? So the uncomfortable proximity, as we conclude, the real story is the uncomfortable proximity of a key Ramaphosa campaigner to the current allegations of criminal syndicates, infiltration of the police service. This poses a challenge to the so-called New Dawn. This link challenges the narrative that the CR17 campaign was purely a cleanup operation. It raises questions about political compromises that were made to secure victory and whether some of the figures involved in that campaign are now implicated in the very type of corruption that Ramaphosa promised to fight. Lastly, the Ramaphosa's avoidance. President Cyril Ramaphosa's decision to establish a commission rather than directly address his association with Brown Mokgotsi is a key part of the story. It allows him to appear decisive in tackling corruption without having to explain his own political alliances. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please guys remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and remember to join to become a paying member. Thank you very much.